Cyber Monday has officially kicked off, and this is the moment every survival gear fan waits for. Prices are dropping across tools, kits, and tactical essentials that normally never go on sale. If you have been planning to upgrade your bug-out bag, replace old gear, or add new equipment for emergencies, this is the best window to strike. Today, we are diving into the strongest Cyber Monday survival gadget deals that bring real function, real durability, and serious savings. Let us get into it. Membrane Solutions Straw Water Filter. Now at $27, down from the original price of $31, saving about 15%. Stay hydrated anywhere with this portable water filter straw, perfect for hiking, camping, travel, or emergencies. Lightweight and compact, it fits in bottles or backpacks. Its 5-stage filtration with 0.1 micron pores removes contaminants while keeping essential minerals for clean, safe water on the go. Nightcat Flat Lay Hammock Tent. Now at $150, down from the original price of $200, saving about 25%. Sleep comfortably outdoors with this 3-in-1 flat lay hammock tent. It lets you rest fully flat like a bed, with a mosquito net and rainfly for protection and ventilation. Made of strong 70D nylon supporting up to 330 pounds, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to set up for hiking, camping, or any adventure. VP Xenar Airsoft Helmet and Mask. Now at $22, down from the original price of $30, saving about 26%. Stay protected during airsoft, paintball, or tactical games with this full-face helmet and mask. Made from durable ABS with EVA foam padding, it's comfortable for long wear. Detachable goggles offer a 180-degree view, and side rails with NVG mount allow accessory attachments. Lightweight and adjustable, it fits teens and adults with smaller head sizes. Funbro Multi-Tool Carabiner. Now at $8, down from the original price of $10, saving about 21%. Carry 6 essential tools in one compact multi-tool, including a folding knife, bottle opener, glass breaker, screwdrivers, and carabiner clip. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. Lightweight and portable, it easily attaches to backpacks, belts, or keychains, perfect for camping, hiking, survival, or as a gift for adventure lovers. LaFizz Outdoor Lighters. Now at $12, down from the original price of $17, saving about 27%. Stay ready for any adventure with this 2-pack of waterproof, windproof lighters. Includes a USB rechargeable dual arc lighter and a refillable butane torch lighter. Compact and durable, they feature flameless arcs, adjustable flames, and lanyards. Reliable in rain or wind, perfect for camping, hiking, or survival situations. Sharpall Pocket Knife and Tool Sharpener. Now at $25, down from the original price of $30, saving about 15%. Keep your blades razor sharp with this 6-in-1 sharpener for knives, scissors, pruners, axes, and more. Built with carbide, ceramic, and diamond rods for superior performance, it also includes a fire starter and emergency whistle perfect for camping, hunting, or as a practical gift. Bunhohe Bushcraft Survival Tool. Now at $13, down from the original price of $16, saving about 21%. Forged from heavy-duty steel, this bushcraft auger drills clean 1-inch holes for shelters, traps, grills, and camp tools using just a stick for leverage. Its sharp spiral, self-tapping guide screw, and Scotch-eye design make woodcraft efficient, while the protective case and hook keep it ready for camping, hiking, or emergencies. A Coolie Camper Kit 11-in-1 Survival Kit. Now at $239, down from the original price of $299, saving about 20%. This modular survival system transforms one hub into 11 tools for fire starting, pumping, lighting, cooling, charging, and emergency alerts. Snap on the arc lighter, water and air pumps, fans, lantern, flashlight, or alarm to adapt instantly to any campsite or roadside situation. Rugged, portable, and built for real outdoor challenges. Turunsole 4K Night Vision Goggles. Now at $100, down from the original price of $430, saving about 77%. Step into the dark with these 4K night vision goggles for camping, hunting, and security. Features include a 3-inch UHD screen, 8x zoom, powerful IR, and a 10,000 mAh battery. With a 2,000-foot viewing range, Wi-Fi remote, tripod mount, and 128GB card, It captures every detail for reliable night exploration. Mescool Solar Emergency Radio, now at $40, down from the original price of $50, saving about 20%. Stay prepared with this 12,000 mAh solar hand crank emergency radio. It offers clear NOAA, AM, and FM reception, a high-efficiency solar panel, fast crank charging, dual LED flashlight and reading lamp, plus USB outputs for phones. Compact and durable, perfect for camping, hiking, or home emergency kits, keeping you powered, informed, and safe. Maelstrom Tactical Backpack 40-liter, now at $25, down from the original price of $30, saving about 15%. Built for rugged adventures and daily use, this 40-liter tactical backpack is water-resistant and made from durable 900D polyester with reinforced stitching. Multiple compartments and MOLLE attachment points keep gear organized, while ergonomic straps and adjustable compression ensure comfort. Versatile pockets and straps hold bottles, tripods, or jackets, ideal for hiking, camping, gym, military, or travel. Defunct's half-gallon water bottle with sleeve, now at $40, down from the original price of $50, saving about 20%. Stay hydrated with this 64-ounce insulated water bottle, keeping drinks cold for 48 hours or hot for 24. Made from durable stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation, it's rust-resistant and sweat-free. The tactical sleeve includes a paracord handle, detachable shoulder strap, and MOLLE-compatible pocket, perfect for gym, hiking, camping, or outdoor work. Cold Weather Balaclava Ski Mask, now at $11, down from the original price of $15, saving about 25%. Conquer the cold with this water-resistant, windproof fleece balaclava. Breathable mesh around the nose and mouth allows airflow while keeping you protected. Stretchable and unisex, it fits most heads and doubles as a neck warmer, ski mask, bandana, or winter cap. Ideal for skiing, snowboarding, cycling, hunting, hiking, or tactical outdoor activities. Light Arcfeld Pro Rechargeable EDC Flashlight, now at $70, down from the original price of $100, saving about 30%. Illuminate every adventure with this compact rechargeable EDC flashlight. Delivering 1,300 lumens of white light plus UV and green beam modes, it's versatile for inspections, hunting, or emergencies. Built from durable aluminum, it features a 5-level battery indicator and easy mode selector. Lightweight and portable, ideal for outdoor work, camping, or tactical use. Blinkless 3-in-1 solar electric water filter, now at $56, down from the original price of $120, saving about 53%. Stay hydrated and safe with this portable 3-in-1 water filter. It combines electric, hand pump, and solar charging modes with dual 0.01 micron ultrafiltration membranes and a 6-stage system for fast, clean water. Lightweight at 450 grams, it includes an emergency light, SOS signal, and reverse charging ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, or survival kits. Carabiner Multi-Tool 8-in-1 EDC, now at $17, down from the original price of $24, saving about 29%. This rugged 8-in-1 carabiner multi-tool combines a folding knife, serrated knife, rope cutter, screwdriver, can and bottle opener, and ruler in one compact design. Made from high-carbon steel with a secure twist-lock carabiner, it's lightweight, portable, and perfect for camping, climbing, hiking, emergencies, or as a practical, everyday carry gift. Jukmo Stretch Tactical Belt for Men, now at $13, down from the original price of $15, saving about 15%. This durable tactical belt features a quick-release zinc alloy buckle for easy one-handed use. Made from stretched nylon, it offers strong support and flexibility. Micro-adjustable for a perfect fit, it's ideal for outdoor adventures, tactical missions, work, or everyday carry. Lightweight, reliable, and versatile. Malomi Camping Cookware Mess Kit, now at $18, down from the original price of $25, saving about 28%. This 10-piece camping mess kit is made from non-toxic anodized aluminum for quick, even heating. Includes pot, pan, bowls, utensils, sponge, and travel pouch, all compact and portable. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for backpacking, hiking, or survival use, keeping meals convenient and reliable anywhere outdoors. Kunknot Collapsible Water Bag, now at $6, down from the original price of $13, saving about 50%. This 8-liter collapsible water bag is perfect for camping, hiking, or emergencies. Made from durable, tear-resistant BPA-free material, it has dual openings for easy filling and cleaning, plus a precision spigot for controlled pouring. Lightweight, foldable, and with a sturdy handle, it offers a portable, reliable water solution for outdoor adventures. Camp and Door Pocket Chainsaw, now at $20, down from the original price of $35, saving about 43%. This durable pocket chainsaw is made from 65 carbon steel for tough cutting. With 48 tiger claw and 48 bulldozer teeth, it slices through dense brush quickly. Lightweight, shock absorptive, and portable with ergonomic handles, it's perfect for camping, hiking, bushcraft, and survival kits. Comes with a lifetime warranty for long-term reliability. Jealous Professional 15-piece outdoor gear set. Now at $56, down from $70, saving about 20%. This 15-piece outdoor gear set includes gut hook, skinning, boning, fillet knives, bone saw, shears, and more. Made from premium 5CR stainless steel for sharpness and durability, with ergonomic camo handles for comfort. Comes in a portable case, perfect for hunting, fishing, camping, or any outdoor adventure where efficiency and reliability are essential. Dozavi 142 in 1 Survival Outdoor Emergency Kit. Now at $25, down from the original price of $30, saving about 15%. Be ready for any adventure with this 142 in 1 survival kit. Includes first aid supplies, hatchet, folding shovel, fire starting tools, fishing kit, tactical flashlight, wire saw, emergency blanket, and more. Compact and rugged, it helps handle injuries, build shelter, start fires, and survive in the wilderness. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or as a gift. Stanley Perfect Brew Pour-Over Set. Now at $34, down from $45, saving about 25%. Brew barista quality coffee anywhere with this durable pour-over set. Includes a 12-ounce insulated stainless steel mug and reusable stainless steel filter. Compact, BPA-free, and easy to clean, it preserves rich flavors without paper filters. Perfect for camping, office, or home use, combining convenience, quality, and eco-friendly design. 4 Patriot Sun Kettle, portable solar water heater. Now at $35, down from $67, saving about 48%. Boil water anywhere with this solar-powered portable kettle. Reaches 212 Fahrenheit in about 45 minutes using sunlight, holding 16.9 ounces. Lightweight and durable with ABS plastic and tempered glass. It requires no fuel or electricity. Ideal for camping, hiking, hunting, or survival situations, fitting easily into backpacks or bug-out bags. Odalin Portable LED Camping Lantern with Ceiling Fan. Now at $17, down from $25, saving about 32%. Light up your campsite and stay cool with this portable LED lantern. Features 18 bright LEDs and a whisper quiet fan with 2 speeds. Ultra lightweight and collapsible, it provides up to 37 hours of light while keeping tents or shelters ventilated, perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency situations. Pompongo AI Hand Warmers, rechargeable. Now at $14, down from $26, saving about 48%. Stay warm with these rechargeable AI hand warmers. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, they provide up to 20 hours of heat with 3 adjustable levels. Compact and pocket-sized, fast heating in 3 seconds, safe and eco-friendly, ideal for camping, hunting, golfing, or gifting to keep loved ones warm all winter. Darren Portable Power Station. Now at $104, down from $160, saving about 35%. Stay powered anywhere with this 300-watt portable power station. Features a 192 watt-hour Life P04 battery, mini solar generator capability, SOS LED flashlight, and advanced safety features. Lightweight and compact, perfect for emergencies, outdoor adventures, RV trips, or hurricane prep, delivering reliable power wherever you go. Work Pro Hunting Knife and Hatchet Axe Combo Set. Now at $30, down from $36, saving about 17%. Gear up with this hunting knife and hatchet combo. Full tang stainless steel blades with black oxide finish handle chopping, splitting, and cutting with ease. Ergonomic G10 handles offer comfort and security, with heavy-duty sheaths for portability. Ideal for camping, hunting, bushcraft, or any survival adventure. Purple Dragon Survival Knife. Now at $20, down from $24, saving about 15%. This full tang fixed blade survival knife features razor-sharp D2 steel for cutting wood, rope, and game. The ergonomic G10 handle provides a secure, non-slip grip, and the Kydex sheath ensures safe, quick access. Perfect for camping, bushcraft, fire starting, and emergency situations for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. Trademark Innovations. Folding Outdoor Chair. Now at $17, down from $23, saving about 26%. Relax comfortably with this folding outdoor chair. Made from sturdy alloy steel and durable 600D polyester with PVC coating, it supports up to 220 pounds, includes a cup holder, and folds easily for storage or travel. Perfect for camping, beach trips, picnics, or any outdoor adventure. That brings our Cyber Monday survival gadget breakdown to a close, and these deals will not stick around for long. Once the timer runs out, the prices return to normal, and the best items usually sell out first. If something in this list fits your setup or fills a gap in your emergency gear, now is the safest time to grab it. More deal updates, more gear rundowns, and more survival picks are coming your way. Stay prepared and stay alert.